Find the missing number if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. 7, 9, 13, 2, 5, 7, 3, 6, 10, 181, 4, 10, question mark. Here logic is 7 cube plus 3 cube minus 2 cube by 2. 7 cube means 343 plus 3 cube means plus 27 minus 2 cube means minus 8 by 2. So answer is 362 by 2, 181. Similarly 13 cube plus 7, 10 cube minus 7 cube by 2. 13 cube means 2197. 10 cube means 1000 minus 7 cube means 343 by 2. So 3197 minus 343 by 2. Answer is 285 by 4 by 2. Answer is 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 7 ja. Answer is 1427.